This video will explain how to download payment reports from Google Pay Business. First, we will see what is Google Pay for Business Payment Report. A payment report is a digital record of all payments your business has received. It shows date of payment, amount received, customer details, transaction status, and transaction ID. These reports help you to track income, do accounting, check daily or monthly sales, share records with accountants. Why download a payment report? Downloading payment reports help you to keep a backup record, match payments with your sales, calculate daily or monthly income, use data for tax and business records. What you need before downloading? Make sure you have the Google Pay for Business app installed, an internet connection, your business account logged in. No extra app or software is needed. Now we will see how to download payment reports. Step 1. Open the Google Pay for Business app. Unlock your phone and open the app. Step 2. Go to the Payments or Transactions section. On the home screen, look for Payments, Transactions or Dashboard. This section shows all the payments you received. Step 3. Find the Download Report option. Inside the Payment section, look for Download Report, Export Transactions or Get Statement. The wording may differ slightly, but the purpose is the same. Step 4. Select the time period. Choose the period for which you want the report. Today, last 7 days, this month, or custom date range. This decides which payments will appear in the report. Step 5. Choose the report format. The report is usually downloaded as CSV file. The file shows each payment in rows and columns. Step 6. Download the payment report. Tap Download. The report will be saved to your phone storage or shared via email or other apps. How to open the downloaded report? You can open the report using Excel, Google Sheet, or any spreadsheet app. Each row shows one payment with full details. What information the report contains? A typical report includes transaction date, transaction time, amount received, customer UPI ID, transaction ID, and payment status. This is useful for verification and records. Important things to remember. Report shows completed payments only. Data is read-only and cannot be edited inside the app. Internet is required to download reports. Keep reports stored safely for future use. Common problems and simple solutions. First one is download option not visible. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Second one is file not opening. Open the file using a spreadsheet app like Excel or Google Sheets. Third one is missing transactions. Check the selected date range carefully. Is downloading reports safe? Reports only show your own business data. Access is protected by your phone lock. Payments are already secured by UPI. The summary is you can download Google Pay Business Payment Reports by opening the app, selecting the payment section, choosing the date range, and downloading the report as file for easy record keeping.